Hey, welcome back to The Traffic Pro, your channel for making money with safe lists and mailers, where we're diving into the exciting world of email marketing.
If you're a beginner in the email marketing game, you're in the right place. Today, we've got a guide packed with strategies to kickstart your email campaigns and get those inboxes buzzing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right in.
1. Build a solid email list. Alright, first things first, building that email list. You want quality over quantity, so forget about buying lists.
Instead, focus on organic growth. Encourage website signups, engage on social media, and make sure people know what's in it for them when they hit that subscribe button. Your email list is like a VIP party. You want people who are genuinely excited to be there.
2. Create compelling opt-in forms. Now, let's talk about making those signups irresistible with compelling opt-in forms. Tell your audience what's in store for them: exclusive content, promotions, or insider info. Keep it simple, keep it clear, and make that sign-up process a breeze. Think of it as rolling out the red carpet for your subscribers. 3. Segment your email list.
Segmenting. It's like sorting your closet, but for your email list.
Categorize your subscribers based on demographics, interests, or even their favorite cat memes.
This way, you can send targeted content that really speaks to each group. One size doesn't fit all. Tailor your emails to what your audience loves.
4. Craft engaging and personalized content.
Time to put on your content creator hat.
Craft emails that are not just informative but engaging and personalized.
It's not just about using their first name. It's about understanding their preferences and making your content feel like it was made just for them.
Your subscribers want more than just words.
Give them an experience.
5. Implement a consistent sending schedule. Consistency is the name of the game.
Whether it's weekly newsletters, monthly updates, or special promotions, stick to a schedule that works for you and your audience.
Consistency builds anticipation and keeps your brand top of mind.
It's like having a regular coffee date with your audience.
6. Create attention-grabbing subject lines.
Now, let's talk about getting those emails open, the subject line. Craft attention-grabbing lines that make your subscribers go, "I need to see what's inside that email."
A little curiosity goes a long way.
Your subject line is the sneak peek to the blockbuster movie. Make it intriguing.
Optimize for mobile devices. Mobile optimization, because no one likes squinting at tiny text. Ensure your emails are mobile-friendly, with responsive designs and easy-to-read content.
Trust me, your subscribers will thank you for it. Let's make sure your emails look as good on the small screen as they do on the big one.
8. Include clear calls to action, CTAs.
Every email needs a star, and that's your call to action, CTA. Whether it's a button, a link, or a flashing neon sign. Okay, maybe not that last one. Make sure your CTA is clear, concise, and aligned with your goals. Guide your audience to the grand finale, whatever that may be.
9. Monitor and analyze key metrics.
Time to put on your detective hat. Monitor those key metrics. Open rates, click-through rates, conversions.
Platforms like Google Analytics and email tools are your secret agents in understanding how your audience interacts with your emails. Dive into the data. It's like having a treasure map to your audience's preferences. 10. Test and iterate.
Last but not least, embrace the spirit of experimentation.
A/B testing is your secret sauce. Test different elements: email copy,
visuals, send times, and let the results guide you. It's not about perfection. It's about finding what clicks with your audience. It's like trying on different outfits until you find the one that feels just right.
And there you have it, our guide to email marketing for beginners. Which strategy are you most excited to try?
Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more email marketing wisdom, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Happy emailing, beginners!
And of course, don't forget to visit www.hotbuyerstraffic.com
to see how I personally referred hundreds of people into my email business system
and make multiple 5 figures per year with only 30 minutes per day running the system. Cheers, and I see you at www.hotbuyerstraffic.com.